Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Bluetooth audio receiver and placing it near your source device. This minimizes interference and simplifies pairing. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone, laptop, or tablet so it can scan. Make sure airplane mode is off. Put the receiver into pairing mode, usually by holding a button until an LED flashes, because devices won't discover it otherwise. Once the LED blinks steadily, move to your source's Bluetooth list and look for the receiver name. Tap it to initiate pairing. After selecting the receiver on your device, you may see a prompt to confirm pairing. Accept it to proceed. If a PIN is requested, try common codes like 0000 or 1234 because many receivers use default pins. Once paired, open your device's sound settings or the media app and choose the receiver as the audio output. This ensures audio routes correctly. Make sure volume levels are moderate on both devices. Then play audio to verify clear playback and stable connection. You finish by confirming consistent audio and positioning the receiver where it won't be blocked. Obstruction causes dropout. If sound skips or lags, move the devices closer and remove other active Bluetooth devices, because congestion often causes interference. Also check battery level and charge the receiver if low, since weak power degrades connection. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the receiver and clear Bluetooth pairings on your source, then pair again. That usually fixes stagnant or misconfigured connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.